movie to the next level. All right, so say them it's filler time. Na make us say, Mami boat atna say, I would just filler no idea gum idea my ya share and then so the echo any day ebanina Tiamana Kwabe Neja on fire room. Mami boat Akwaba.
Oh,
na bibia boko de.
Oh, nyame gudu Russian.
Ghana for job papa say no why your mazan. What catch on some on Facebook now baby you Brazil. Na fe ade ya kwa kodu be 700. Wo say aka 300 and say do 1k you when you Brazil no. Still October there. Breast when awareness ni mu and you won't kwan bi aso e so timi it you feel now ko pim say October man dey there e so timi Brazil live what I say
it ehun dey azibia no close down ehun it minya 1k na Mama Mozala my but until then no mamu apologize I want to apologize.
All right you yati
na minima za sesi asata say baby be there na mopocho e ogela another be mopocho boy was it depends on who is asking. Sure. The answer depends on who is asking.
And no
okay, it is an answer na e shede wa so okroma na Baje we say Ghana had a celebrity a nyimdo oyezen pa. Ghana ha oye mu hunde ebinom wo peda wa popular. Hey, mama, inyim zo wom. Inyim you have no idea. Zo wom na minyim why a lot of people so take advantage. What you celebrities are roba. There are why one agenda one so we should done we create fake account say one or random account there and should they who school no kwedu sort the notes the no na wabish who post us what are you
by force
no what you are some ya yo or that to honum na me cake today saligali wape say inyum seligalia prioritatia na wife no eraba no or TV presenter or chofum what just so eraba no up on homosm na wa word 3 years ni na I promise there the details no onye important na eraba bi wa kwhye ne poster say mama na we post ne picture na kwhye the horror face on top of it no asana friend barren.
How can you be Jerry? So mean? Charlie, some way.
No, Jerry, most sorry, no. Wama Moraho, papa, and you never been in Ponorico. This another woman telling a fellow woman, that she's barren.
How?
As somebody is young. Now, Saligally in Casa, and young Podo, you'll be on my savage answers. But for the first time, no, woman, no, what case? Nation some won pana.
See, any probably more on more. Almost your once your mumpio. You see, that Kobeya. So there are some people on social media, because they are hiding behind some names, and pictures, that they think that no one knows their true identity. You know, they can come on social media, come under people's post and say whatever they want to say, as nasty as they can get and do. But you see. And you be na obeka bibia for nipa no an obeka kana asem a onipa na bia right there and there or no so be reply on bibi somebody can just do something. You might think say social media to obi they don't know nipa na mo na yen na nipa sa wo and you see
obi the first time
obi betimi akọ ayo bibi and then sad way keka waye we and na abe sell life for good.
Yes. What case generations?
You see that thing, and you might think, say, oh, really? Yo,
was it your king?
I'm on top. Areas and dark,
I apologize, but you're too much. Jerry. This is not the first time. This is the second time. Raban why the mazano. Now mopocho prioritatia or your brother, another or your like I don't get it. What is your business? Because you never know what you do. Your first 5 years. Yeah, we don't want to entertain our
yeah.
What is your business? What is your business? Start minding your business.
Mind your business.
Ghana celebrate sometimes but not had another show we are some the comment the nasty things people will say about you.
Yeah.
as a crowd because just because you're in the limelight or be up or be but I'm no or say bomazana ye jed amazne.
It's not good.
Man calm down kakra.
Sure.
Na keche Joshua na say obo basketball minimal say inima Keche Andrews will make some interesting revelation be about how we meet Joshua also then na one be no sports na Andrews no Joshua no obo basketball nti ono na no rapper so of course some competition me no who there Joshua kind of time school time no basketball no okay no so who crowd no mo na was started the wire yankofo na was started the wire menuma up till now it was on one down jena da there Keche Joshua be enyo na ni onyima anye there about basketball abochi baby but I would have Keche Joshua na height na brother still midfielder so there's
maybe it ready is it young boy now
so what more of the stories now won't call them online now won't read more one home is Mami Boatsma the Fantido president for the Brothers and president for the Brothers and Sisters Association Masardo.
Thank you. All right, so we're getting ready to wrap up. Near the news now to us. Filler was brought to you by Dewa 539. Yeah. And they're quite a bit me first one from 1 to 39 now.